Hi, I'm Miranda Dang. I'm an attorney in Kleinberg's litigation department. As AI technology becomes more common and accessible, deepfake images, which use machine learning to generate fake, sometimes explicit photos from existing ones, pose an increasing threat to school-age students. Amid this evolving technological landscape, schools must ensure that their policies are equipped to handle a more sophisticated form of online bullying and harassment. The consequences can be dire for both victims and the accused. And in some cases, students can even face criminal charges for possession of child pornography related to AI-generated images. Offenders can face fines or up to 3 years in prison for knowingly publishing a deepfake image of a minor under the federal Take It Down Act, which was recently signed into law by President Trump. Additionally, any person who intentionally threatens a minor with the publication of a deepfake image may face fines and/or up to 30 months in prison. The most devastating consequences occur when schools lack adequate infrastructure to respond effectively to AI-generated harassment. Schools need comprehensive policies that address both the technological and the legal complexities of these incidents. School administrators should immediately review their existing policies to ensure that they explicitly address AI-generated content and deepfake imagery. Policies must make clear that schools will investigate incidents even when the creation or circulation of AI-generated imagery occurs off campus, such as on a school bus or through social media platforms. Never assume that these incidents fall outside a school's jurisdiction, as courts are increasingly holding schools accountable for off-campus conduct that affect the educational environment. Policies must provide clear step-by-step instructions for administrators tasked with handling reports of AI-generated harassment. That starts with immediately notifying parents to ensure that any images are deleted from student devices, and completing a full assessment of all parties involved, including anyone who may have received an explicit image. Incident report forms should be accessible to school administrators with specific questions about the nature of the incident and the technology involved. The school should ensure that all staff have a complete understanding of these updated policies and are properly trained on how to recognize and respond to AI-generated harassment. Given the criminal implications of creating and distributing AI-generated sexual images of minors, schools should work with experienced attorneys to identify weak spots in their policies. It is crucial for legal counsel to review your existing policies, procedures, and student handbooks to ensure that they meet state anti-bullying mandates and federal Title IX requirements.